Yeah. So this is Mohit Kaur. I'm basically a petroleum engineer. So you would be wondering what I'm doing in this video. But the fact is that I would be I would be very frank to admit that Accelerate is the best departmental event that takes place in our college. I've seen it for the past 2-3 years now, and it was something very good. So very good competitions take place, a lot of fun. Rally Mania is superb, truly. It started like 2 years ago, but it's the best that I've seen. The competition is good, and you also get good cash prize. I was basically associated with Mind Your Own Business, which was basically a business case study competition. We had an elimination round, then a final round. The best part of it was that out of 7 people who are finalists we had 5 engineering students, and that makes me very happy.
All cars are from MIT Pune RC Club. We are like a team of 13 students. We have amongst us 5 cars we made it, and we have participated in many RC events successfully with these cars. I have won events like Shastra at IIT Chennai, TechFest at IIT Mumbai.
This is our Baha car, and these 5 are the RC cars.
So Captain Deep, about the Baha competition.
It was really tough competition.
Yes.
It was just because our driver became 9th.
Okay.
He was driving with the accelerator in the hand. On one hand is the accelerator, in the other
Could you
hand
show me the accelerator wire, please?
Yeah, yes, the accelerator. Here is the accelerator wire. Here it comes.
Okay, so you were accelerating with this?
Yeah.
So
and
how was this possible?
From the other hand, and he was like steering or going here.
Accelerator.
Okay.
And by mouth he was doing the steering.
Okay. Cool. So best of luck, guys.
Thank you. अभी MIT में competition accelerator उसके लिए हमने गाड़ी बनाई है IC engine powered. It's a battle tank. इसमें IC engine से हम लोगों ने एक track based vehicle बनाया है जिसमें 2 chains लगे हुए हैं और ये गाड़ी चेन के ऊपर चलती है ऐसे. अभी इसमें हमने इसके लिए क्या किया है, ये जो चेन है, दिस चेन इज़ यूज फ्रॉम हीरो होंडा स्प्लेंडर का कैमशाफ्ट, उसको हमने कस्टमाइज़ करके ऐसा पूरा टैंक के लिए बनाया है. उसके बाद में पावर देने के लिए हमने एक सिंगल डिफरेंशियल यूज़ किया है. अभी ये दिस इज़ IC इंजन विथ 3.23 cc एंड देन द पावर इज ट्रांसमिटेड टू द गियर्स एंड नाउ फॉर द स्टीयरिंग वी ब्रेक वन साइड and power other side. The car will steer like this. If you want to go in another side, brake this side, and the car will.
We are Team Beast, and this is the second time we are participating in Accelerate. We are 2-time TechFest winners. We won it last time, we won it this year. We won at NIT Surathkal, we won at RSCOE, and this year we hope to win at Accelerate too. This car was fabricated entirely by us. Every part you can see is handmade. Except the engines and the differentials which you are supposed to buy. And for Accelerate, special strategies, you can say driver control. We practice a lot on the driving skills. The car is very stable, as you can see, it responds very well to the remote control. And the track, basically what we feel is designed mostly for electric cars because there are obstacles and on. RC cars are supposed to go fast. They should have good sweeping corners, good fast straights.
It's more thrill in RC car racing, not slow racing.
It should not be slow and obstacle navigating and all, but
there should be more space for RC. Overall,
and we hope to win.
Actually, it started almost 11 years back. This is the 12th year. The machine used to be known as MECP, and अंदर की बात ये कि every year we actually try to do better than like last year. Seriously, and this year that's what we wanted to do. We want to make it the best accelerate ever, and I think we have actually. We actually have, yeah. The best sponsors we've got. We've got new events which nobody ever even dreamed and planned of, and that's for last year. So it's sad. I feel really bad about it, and I wish the only thing I have सब chairman का एक सपना होता है कि they should do so well in one year that अगले साल जाके they should change their accelerate. So that's exactly I wish, because accelerate is my baby, and no matter what I can do to make it really great.
स्माइल दे यार, दांत भी दिखा रहे, ऐसे कर दो बस ठीक है। पीछे यार
ਇੱਕ ਨਾਲ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਜਿੰਦ ਤੇਰੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਵਾਰਤੀ ਲੈਣਾ ਤੋਂ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਗੋਲੀ ਮਾਰਤੀ ਹਾਂ ਗੋਲੀ ਮਾਰਤੀ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਲ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਜਿੰਦ ਤੇਰੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਵਾਰਤੀ ਲੈਣਾ ਤੋਂ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ
I used my experience practice and try to open the post and give you the goalie.
And that is what you made. कहाँ है ये गायब हो गया?
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ